Sir Migs, lagi ako nalulugi sa shipment ko. Feeling ko dahil sa exchange rate. Hindi ko na-adjust ng maayos ang presyo ko. Ano pong magandang strategy for this? Basta Forex, sobrang likot niyan. Ang masakit kung ang negosyo mo involves dealing sa ibang bansa, whether supplier man yan or customer, multi-currency transactions will always be part of your life. And without automation, laging may risk na malugi dahil sa fluctuating exchange rates. Isang client namin nagbebenta ng frozen meat products imported from Spain. And ang costing niya, manual. Spreadsheet, calculator, tapos i-apply manually yung prevailing exchange rate of the day. Ang problema, sa sobrang bilis ng pagbabago ng exchange rate, mali-maling desisyon that leads to lost profits. We moved his accounting system to zero, and with its real-time multi-currency feature, all foreign currency transactions are automatically converted based on the latest exchange rate. Hindi na niya kailangan mag-compute, hindi na niya kailangan mag-adjust ng mano-mano. Nakikita niya agad kung magkano talaga ang kita or lugi on a per transaction basis. Ngayon, mas mabilis ang decision making niya, mas confident siyang magbigay ng quote, and he's making the right business decisions using the right data. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.